everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting what's new in my spring wardrobe, as well as some new pieces I am getting in to try on for you guys. They're a mix of quite a few retailers. I have J.Crew factory, which is really exciting. I also found some really cute Aritzia pieces. I know I don't share that brand a ton, but I really love how high quality their pieces are. Also, if you're unfamiliar with shopping Aritzia, just to give you guys some information, do free returns as long as you just sign into an account free. So just make an online like a login, and then you could return for free if anything doesn't work out. And then also Lululemon. It's been a hot minute since I've shopped Lululemon, but when I saw they launched a new color, I am like absolutely sold. Immediate add to cart. So I will have everything linked below in that description box in case any of you want to check it out, as well as sizing. And we are just gonna get right into the first look. Here is a look at the first outfit. I am really excited about how this look pulled together. I had to envision this as I was shopping for the pieces. Immediately when I saw this raincoat, I knew I had to get it because it is so pretty for springtime, for those rainy days, or it really doesn't have to just be a rainy day to wear this. Like I would wear it with sunnies and just as a cute little piece of outerwear because of the gingham. It's so darling. This raincoat is 87% cotton, so really nice fabric. It even has that water resistant and repellent fabric, but again, doesn't look like your traditional shiny raincoat. It still looks so chic and really pretty with that gold button detail. It is machine washable. It's partially lined as well. You can see that lining there. So gorgeous. So you could wear it open and you'll still see that gingham even on the inside partially. It has a hood. It is not removable, but I feel like for this type of jacket you wouldn't want it to be. And it's just so stunning. Such a great fit. It runs true to size. I'm wearing the extra small. I paired it with these jeans, which I am really excited about. So this is a cream color. If you want something a little bit different than your bright white, this is gonna be a really great option. It's a nice cream jean. It actually reminds me of the color of my one pair of Veronica Beer jeans, and I feel like they're just such a nice fit. I mean, J.Crew factory jeans I've been wearing for years, and I really do feel like they're one of my top favorite denim. And then I just paired it with this sweater. It is 100% cotton, so really great fabric. I love that twisted little texture to it. So pretty. To finish off the look, I added my Walmart Mary Janes. They remind me of the Dolce Vita flats that are like $120. Don't get me wrong, I love my Dolce Vita shoes, so they're amazing quality, but if you're looking for something of a smaller price point, maybe you're not sure you're gonna get a ton of use out of these are a nice option to check out. I love that brown tone especially. It just pulls this whole look together. And then as far as jewelry, all the details below as well. I just have like my little floral necklace on with the little crystals, so cute, and then just like my everyday jewelry favorite. This next outfit is for my workwear girly. This outfit combo is so good. I love this top. It's like that silky feeling top. I love that you could self-tie it here at the top and adjust it. It has a smocked wrist area here. It's very comfy. It's lighter weight, so great for transitioning into springtime for your spring workwear. And then these black pants are such a good find. They kind of have that ponte pant feel, like that nice thick, really stretch material, but the shape is a nice, like slightly wide leg. So I feel like they're very flattering, super chic, and very comfy. If you have to sit at your desk for like hours, I think these are still really comfy pants because of the stretch. Just did a black cap toe ballet flat. My tote bag that I've been sharing quite a bit recently, but I think this is such a good combo. Great essentials for your workwear capsule wardrobe. I also just want to share with you guys this other pair of black pants that I got in from J.Crew factory. So this one is more of like a thinner material, not in a bad way, it's just a thinner material, and they are more of like that, they feel like pajama pants, really they do. These have just a front panel, whereas the other ones had your traditional zipper and everything, but this is a front panel and also has an elastic back. So these are a little bit more of like your ultra comfy work pants, but still look very chic and professional. Next we have these really great wardrobe classics. I first want to actually start off with these jeans. On the verge of a trouser jean to me, and I really love these so much. Sometimes the trouser jeans from some brands are really long and you need to wear them with like a full-on heel, like a 4-inch heel. These are so amazing because they're such a flattering wide leg, but they're not overpowering, like where they look just overtaking your shape. So I love these so much. The J.Crew factory denim right now. They are absolutely crushing it. And I love even that thicker seam at the bottom. They just really make it look so luxurious. Like this could definitely pass for a pair of Veronica Beard $300 jeans, no problem. They fit, I'd say, either true to size, or if you're in between, I actually would size down in these. This is my true size. And then I just have my Parisian little heels on. I could totally wear these without a heel though. They still would not hit the floor. You could see I have like a little like inch left. So definitely love. And then we have to talk about this little twin set. I love the tank with the matching cardigan. This twin set is sold separately, but they both look like great pieces together. They're both 100% cotton. They're just that traditional J.Crew look, which I really love. And they're great basics. You can wear this set to work. You can wear it on the weekends casually, like, and then you can mix and match, throw this over top a dress if you're chilly, or you could just wear the tank on its own come spring, summer. I mean, there's so many great variations you could style with these pieces. Next, we have this everyday t-shirt dress. This is 100% cotton, and I love this navy. It is a little bit more of a brighter navy. This is like, actually right now it's capturing just about the true color of what this dress looks like in person, but I really do think the shape of this is so stunning. It's a little bit more elevated, but it's a casual piece still, and I love this as an everyday dress, just that t-shirt material, but it feels nice and thick. To me, it almost feels like a Pima cotton, but it's not, but it feels so nice, thick, and luxe, and great material. Fully customizable cinch detail here at the waist, and then it has a little ruffle here at the bottom. So feminine and pretty for springtime. And then I just brought in some neutral taupes. I did this bag, which is so pretty. It has the little bows here on the sides. Added my pearl slide sandals, which I've been really enjoying styling with a lot of these looks for you guys. They're really pretty and they just go with so much. Next, we have such a good essential tee. This is 100% cotton. This actually feels like one of my Pima cotton t-shirts. Again, it's not Pima cotton, but I really love the thickness of this. It feels like it could be double the price. And this is under, I believe, like $40 or $30. So great. I love the shade of pink. I believe it comes in a few other color options. And this is like, I feel like a t-shirt is just such a good staple. Of course, I mean, with denim and then cute bag and shoes. Like I have on these white jeans I've been wearing now ever since I got in the mail. I already washed and wore them, and they're so nice, from J.Crew factory as well. I actually wore these when I did my spring home refresh video, my last video. These are so amazing. So these were the ones I was wearing in that video, and I love so much. They look so pretty with that raw hemline. I have it paired with my bow pearl little heeled sandals, and they just fit like a dream. Again, all the J.Crew factory jeans for me just across the board have been fitting true to size. Next, we have this comfy but pulled together look. This is from Aritzia, and I have to say Aritzia is like one of my top best quality of comfy pieces like this that I own. They're one of the top ones. There are some brands that I've tried that just pill. I've had a different pair of these sweats like from months and months ago, and they still look like amazing condition. So I can attest to the quality of these pieces. They really do speak to the pricing. I've tried things that are a little bit less expensive, but they just pill up and they do look a little bit raggedy after like a few washes. So these really do hold up. So they really are worth it in my opinion. This would be such a great travel look. This is great for just running errands. You want to look pulled together but very comfy, or just like around the house. I think it's such a nice set. These come in tons and tons of colors. They also have the zip up jacket version of this. If you didn't want a crew neck, they do have it. And then the pants have that fully functioning drawstring waist. They don't have a pocket for this style pant. I do like though how the looks very streamlined. And just to show you guys the other styles they have, I got the shorts as well, because as it gets spring, summer, I love these types of shorts to go on walks with and stuff. So this is really a cute style as well. They also have a longer inseam as well. These are the shorter. I'll link both, the short and long, but just for reference, these are the short inseam. I really love them. They're so cute. They have that elastic waistband, really, again, thick quality. I think it's like 87% cotton, so really nice cotton content, and these are just such great pieces. But if you're not into color, you want something a little bit more neutral, I would do the gray. I have a gray set from them as well. It's so cute. I'm loving these boxer shorts and that they're trending majorly right now. So cute. I see a lot of people wearing them out and about with like sweatshirts and different things like that, but I think this is just such a cute pair with the plaid. You can also, of course, just like wear them around the house for lounge, for sleep, but I think they're just such a cute casual piece to wear with your sweatshirts and tanks. I've also found this tank from Aritzia as well. Both pieces are Aritzia. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but this tank with the little bow is just darling, and I love that like kind of scallop detail happening right here at the trimming of the straps, and it just looks so pretty. I size up to the small on this. I mean, it still has a lot of stretch and room, but sometimes Aritzia sizing could be a little iffy, so I size up with this one. Yeah, it has a lot of stretch to it, really great fabric. Again, these shorts are just darling, and they come in so many colors. They also come in a solid, which I did grab. Wanted to compare the two. I'm gonna keep the plaid because I think they're just so fun with the plaid. They kind of look gingham from far away, and I just love a gingham moment. So I'm really happy with them. And the inseam is pretty long too, so super cute to wear with. I'll definitely wear these out and about with sweatshirts and stuff. Also, I want to mention, if you're doing an Aritzia order, check out these lettuce edge socks. They're so cute. I've had them for over a year now. They're just so cute. I think they come in a 3-pack, but they're so pretty. They come in a couple colors. I have the light pink, and they're so pretty. I think they're called sugar plum pink or something, and they're gorgeous. And I wear them with like my athletic looks. I have a bow hat on. This is not Aritzia, but I will still link it. It's like a little bow baseball cap, which is so cute, but this is just such an adorable, like, this is probably more for summer the way I styled it, but, or depending on where you live, but I also think this is great for lounging, PJs, like all the things. Next, we have this really cute combination together, and this skirt is Aritzia, but this sweatshirt is not, but I thought it looks so perfect together. Like the color of the bow matches the skirt perfectly, and I'm like, I gotta do this outfit combo. So let's start off with this sweatshirt. It says La Vita in Rosa, and it means life in pink in Italian, and I think it's just perfection. And I'm sure for a lot of you who love pink as well, this is just the perfect sweatshirt, and I love it how cozy it is too, and it's just a nice buttery soft material. It's so cozy and so cute over top. This is a tennis skirt, and then I have a tank underneath, which I'll show you, and then I just have it like with this quilted bag, and it just all coordinates so nicely together, so I thought it was perfect. And then the On Cloud sneakers that I love so much, but I'll show you guys this without the sweatshirt so you could get a whole look at the skirt, and then the tank top that also matches. And then here is the tank that I had on underneath. It is so cute. It kind of makes it look like a one-piece tennis dress, but it is separate and such good basics. I actually got this. I purchased the burgundy tank in the same exact silhouette last August. I loved it so much. I had to get this color. It's so pretty. The skirt, I do want to also mention, has the built-in biker shorts, and they're just so comfy and such amazing quality. I can't say enough about Aritzia's activewear. They're amazing, amazing quality. Next, I'm really excited about this sweater find. It's so darling. This is a wool and cotton blend. I don't find it to be itchy or anything like that. It feels really nice quality and very comfortable. And it did get the small in this one because I wasn't sure, but I probably could have done my regular size in this one. So I would actually just go for your regular in this because it does have some room, but I just think it's so pretty. It has that little kind of scallop detail. And then I have it on with the wide leg jeans just to show you guys how these also look with some flats. Like they don't touch the floor. I'm 5'7". They don't touch the floor. So really love the length on these, and they're just such a vibe. Next, we have Lululemon. They just launched a new color, and I'm really excited about it because one of my favorite skirts I purchased last spring right around this time. You guys loved this skirt so much last year. It was always like selling out, and it is so pretty. It was a top seller, and I just absolutely adore it. I wore mine a ton. So I wanted to show you guys for comparison the new color. So this is like your traditional baby light pink. This is more of like a mauve rosy tone to the new one, and I think it's so gorgeous. And this comes in though a ton of other colors. It has the built-in biker shorts, and it's so cute. I've worn this for pickleball, like walks, all the things, on vacation for in the morning getting coffee and stuff. I think it's just such a nice skirt, so it is really essential. And I find, okay, Lululemon, if you've never purchased from them before, their sizing is a little like different. So size 4 is technically like an extra small, so I get the size 4 in tops and bottoms, and that is to me like the equivalent of an extra small. So just as a starting point, I would do like, I would say 4 is like an extra small, 6 is like a small, and so on. So that's how I would go off of sizing, but it's so cute. Then I have like the matching tank in that same colorway. It's like an athletic material and it's very breathable and just so cute. How could I almost forget to share this? This is so pretty and I love the monochromatic look. It just looks so cute. And I love their belt bags. I have the light pink one still in my wardrobe. It is amazing. I used that a ton last spring, summer, and it's just such a good handy bag to have for taking walks. You could have your phone, your keys with you, all the things that you need. And then I've also taken this on vacations, like I said, and stuff, just for morning walks and just going to the coffee shop and things like that where you just want to be hands-free. It's so great. So this is really nice and I love that they have this new color. Now we have this new sweatshirt also, Lululemon. I got the size small in this one because I want it oversized. So it definitely is running very oversized for the small for me, but I kind of like that vibe. And it is so cute paired with the tennis skirt. I love like an oversized sweatshirt with a tennis skirt. I think it is so cute. This feels super soft, has that embroidered detail that says Lululemon and Athletic Club, established in 1998, and it's just so cute. And again, that same pretty super cute color. So I hope you enjoyed this spring wardrobe try on haul and my new additions to my wardrobe. If you did enjoy this style video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section either which retailer you love that I shared in this video or an outfit that was in particular that you absolutely loved. I would love to hear your favorites as always, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.